reshape yourself, and transform your life. Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Ever felt stuck or overwhelmed? You're not alone. We see others thriving and wonder, why can't I get it together? But hope is never lost. You have the power to reshape yourself and create the life you've always dreamed of. Everyone faces challenges, but some use them as fuel for growth. In this video, I'll share secrets to unlocking that power within you. Let's get started. Why you must hold on to hope. Let's start with why hope is so important. Hope is not just a fleeting feeling or a wishful thought. It is a powerful force that can shape our lives in profound ways. It is the foundation upon which we build our dreams and aspirations. Without hope, we would be lost in a sea of despair, unable to see the possibilities that lie ahead. When life feels heavy, hope is the light that guides you through the darkness. It is the beacon that illuminates the path ahead, even when the journey seems impossible. Hope gives us the courage to face our fears and the strength to keep moving forward, no matter how difficult the road may be. It's the belief that things can get better, that you can overcome challenges. Hope fuels action. It is the driving force behind every great achievement. When you have hope, you are willing to take risks, to push yourself beyond your limits, and to strive for greatness. It is the spark that ignites the fire within you, propelling you towards your goals. When you believe there's a way forward, you'll find the strength to take the first step. Think about it. Every great journey begins with a single step, and it is hope that gives you the courage to take that step. It is the belief that no matter how long or difficult the journey may be, you will eventually reach your destination. You wouldn't put in the effort to achieve a goal if you didn't believe it was possible. Hope is what drives you to work hard, to persevere, and to never give up. It is the belief that your efforts will eventually pay off, that you will achieve your dreams, and that you will overcome any obstacles that stand in your way. Hope isn't passive. It's the spark that drives change. It is the force that compels you to take action, to make a difference, and to create a better future for yourself and for others. Hope is what inspires you to dream big, to set ambitious goals, and to strive for excellence in everything you do. It's about acknowledging the challenges and choosing to move forward with courage. Hope keeps you resilient. It is the strength that allows you to bounce back from setbacks, to overcome adversity, and to keep moving forward, no matter how difficult the journey may be. Life is full of challenges, but hope helps you bounce back. It is the belief that no matter how many times you fall, you can always get back up. Hope is what gives you the strength to keep fighting, to keep striving, and to never give up, no matter how difficult the journey may be. Remember, it's not about avoiding storms, it's about learning how to dance in the rain. Hope is what allows you to find joy in the midst of adversity, to see the beauty in the midst of chaos, and to find peace in the midst of turmoil. It is the belief that no matter how difficult the journey may be, you can always find a way to keep moving forward. When you face a setback, hope reminds you that setbacks are not the end of your story. They are simply a part of the journey, a stepping stone on the path to success. Hope is what gives you the strength to keep going, to keep striving, and to never give up, no matter how difficult the journey may be. They are opportunities to learn, to grow, and to become even stronger. Hope is what allows you to see setbacks as opportunities for growth, to learn from your mistakes, and to become a better, stronger, and more resilient person. Hope whispers, you are stronger than you think. It is the voice that tells you that you can overcome any obstacle, that you can achieve your dreams, and that you can become the person you were meant to be. You are braver than you believe. Hope is what gives you the courage to face your fears, to take risks, and to push yourself beyond your limits. It is the belief that no matter how difficult the journey may be, you have the strength and the courage to overcome any obstacle, and you are capable of overcoming anything life throws your way. Hope inspires growth. It is the force that drives you to become a better person, to strive for excellence, and to achieve your dreams. The greatest transformations often come from the toughest struggles. Hope is what allows you to see the potential for growth in every challenge, to find the strength to overcome adversity, and to become a better, stronger, and more resilient person. Holding on to hope opens the door to growth, self-discovery, and renewal. It is the belief that no matter how difficult the journey may be, you can always find a way to keep moving forward, to keep striving, and to never give up. That's the transformative power of hope. It is the force that drives you to become a better person, to strive for excellence, and to achieve your dreams. So hold on to hope and let it guide you on your journey to success. Recognizing the power of self-reshaping. Now, let's talk about reshaping yourself. This is a journey that requires introspection, courage, and a willingness to change. It's about looking within and understanding who you are at your core. Life isn't about staying the same, it's about evolving. Just as the sunrise marks a new day, and a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly, we too are meant to grow and change. Think of yourself as clay. Every experience is an opportunity to mold yourself. Each moment, each challenge, and each triumph adds to the sculpture of your life. Reshaping starts with letting go of what no longer serves you: fear, doubt, or old habits. Imagine releasing a balloon into the sky or dropping a heavy load. Feel the lightness that comes with letting go. These negative patterns can hold you back. They create a barrier between you and your true potential, causing stress and worry. But you have the power to break free. Picture yourself breaking chains or climbing a mountain, overcoming obstacles that once seemed insurmountable. Imagine yourself in front of a mirror. What do you see? Do you see someone who is ready to take on the world, or someone who is held back by self-doubt? Do you see someone capable of achieving great things? If not, it's time to reshape your self-image. Visualize the confident, successful person you aspire to be. If not, it's time to reshape your self-image. Start by envisioning the changes you want to see. Picture yourself transforming, just like a caterpillar, into a butterfly. Identify the limiting beliefs holding you back. Challenge them. Are they really true? Write them down, examine them, and question their validity. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. Meditation can help you separate yourself from the negative patterns that cloud your mind. You are the observer of your thoughts. By observing nature, you can learn to observe your own mind with the same calm and clarity. Choose to focus on thoughts that empower you. Write positive affirmations and repeat them daily. Let these affirmations become the new narrative of your life. Reshaping is about uncovering the best version of yourself. It's about setting goals and working towards them with determination and perseverance. Embrace the journey of growth and transformation. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your true self. Trust the process and never stop believing in your ability to transform. Just as the sunrise brings a new day, your journey of self-reshaping brings new opportunities and endless possibilities. Practical steps to reshape yourself. Here's how you can start reshaping yourself today. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, but about taking consistent, practical steps that lead to meaningful transformation over time. These steps aren't just ideas, they're actionable and life-changing. They are designed to help you build a solid foundation for long-term success and personal growth. First, focus on small wins. These small victories might seem insignificant at first, but they are crucial in building momentum and confidence. Don't aim to change everything overnight. Big changes can be overwhelming and unsustainable. Instead, break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Start with small, achievable goals. For instance, if you want to improve your fitness, begin with a 10-minute walk each day rather than an hour-long workout. For example, if you're trying to build confidence, set a goal to speak up in one meeting this week. This small step can significantly boost your self-esteem and encourage you to take on bigger challenges. Small wins create a ripple effect. Each small achievement builds on the last, creating a wave of positive momentum that propels you forward. They build momentum and give you the confidence to tackle bigger challenges. As you accumulate these small victories, you'll find yourself more prepared and motivated to take on larger goals. Second, develop a growth mindset. This means embracing challenges and viewing them as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than as obstacles. See challenges as opportunities to learn. When you encounter difficulties, remind yourself that each challenge is a chance to improve and develop new skills. Instead of thinking, "I can't do this," ask, "What can I learn from this?" This shift in perspective can transform how you approach problems and setbacks. A growth mindset is essential for self-reshaping. It allows you to see setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth, rather than as failures. It allows you to see setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth. Each mistake or failure becomes a stepping stone towards your ultimate success. Third, take care of your body and mind. Your physical health and mental clarity are the foundation of any transformation. Physical health and mental clarity are the foundation of transformation. Without a healthy body and a clear mind, it's challenging to make lasting changes. Eat nourishing food, exercise regularly, and practice mindfulness. These habits will help you maintain the energy and focus needed to achieve your goals. Your body is your temple, and your mind is your sanctuary. Treat them with the respect they deserve, and they will support you in your journey. Fourth, surround yourself with positivity. The people and environments you engage with have a significant impact on your mindset and motivation. The people and environments you engage with shape your mindset. Choose to spend time with those who uplift and inspire you, and avoid those who bring negativity into your life. Spend time with those who uplift and inspire you. Positive social interactions can boost your mood, increase your motivation, and help you stay focused on your goals. Finally, visualize your ideal self. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you create a clear mental picture of who you want to become. Close your eyes and imagine the best version of yourself. Picture yourself achieving your goals, living your dreams, and becoming the person you aspire to be. What does that person look like, think like, and act like? Use this vision as a guide to align your actions and decisions with your desired outcome. Use that vision as your guide. Let it inspire and motivate you to take the necessary steps towards your ideal self. Visualization helps you create a clear mental picture of who you want to become. It serves as a constant reminder of your goals and keeps you focused on your path. Start aligning your actions to match that vision. Every decision you make should bring you one step closer to your ideal self. You begin to attract people and opportunities that support your growth. As you stay true to your vision, you'll find that the right people and opportunities naturally come into your life, helping you achieve your goals and reshape yourself into the person you want to be. Overcoming self-doubt. Reshaping yourself means silencing the voice of doubt. It's natural to question if you're capable of change, but you absolutely are. Challenge negative thoughts. Whenever doubt creeps in, counter it with evidence of your past achievements. Tell yourself, I've overcome before and I can do it again. Be patient with yourself. Transformation takes time. Celebrate progress, no matter how small. Remember, even tiny steps add up to big changes. Acknowledge your efforts and appreciate your progress. You are not alone on this journey. We all face challenges and moments of self-doubt. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and never give up on your dreams. You are worthy of your dreams. As we come to the end of this journey, remember, you are worthy of your dreams. You are worthy of love, happiness, success, and fulfillment. The journey of self-reshaping is not always easy. It takes courage to confront your fears and challenge your limiting beliefs. But it is worth it. When you commit to self-growth, you unlock a world of possibilities. You develop a deeper sense of self-awareness and purpose. The world needs your unique gifts and talents. Don't be afraid to shine brightly. Never give up on your dreams. What step will you take today to move closer to your dreams? Remember, you're not alone on this journey. The power within. Life will always have its ups and downs, but the power to reshape yourself lies within you. Don't lose hope. It's the key to unlocking your greatest potential. If this video inspired you, give it a like, share it, and subscribe for more insights. Let's spread this message of hope and empowerment far and wide. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video.